Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly blur your video in CapCut. So it's very simple. I will pick this video, for example, and let's say I want to blur the second half of it. So first thing you need to do is go over to Effects, click on it, and then find Lens, and click on the lens. And then as you can see here you have blur, motion blur, or chrome blur. So let's say I will pick this blur, so I can drag and drop it on top of it. As you can see, it's really simple, and your video is blurred. So let's say you will drag it on the entire video or only on the second half. And as you can see, it is blurred where you want it to be blurred. You can also adjust the blurriness more or less in this slider. And it's really simple to blur your video in CapCut. So thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.